Hey baby, where are we going today?
Kayaking.
Kayaking, yeah. It's a nice day today, isn't it, babe?
Yeah.
So it should be a fun day. Yeah. Here we are in Sai Kung. Gonna get some breakfast and then go kayaking. Babe, tell them what we're getting for breakfast.
Hash browns.
Hash browns. Yeah. So we were gonna get like a really nice breakfast, but because we want to get kayaking really quickly, we're just gonna grab some macas.
Where will you go? Won't you miss the ones you know? I'll be here, hanging on, waiting for your call. Seems like time as a wave passing by, leave them all.
So Sai Kung gets extremely busy when it's a sunny day on a weekend, as it is today. So you can see there's people everywhere, and Constance is going to be doing some of my B-roll.
Hoping you would stay, but I've always known you would go find your own way. I still see when we climbed up in those trees, 12 years old, feel the wind and watch the river run.
So it's 11 AM and I'm just a little bit concerned if all the kayaks have gone out or not, because there's a lot of kayaks out there, so kind of hopeful that they're not all gone. I can see some. Cross my fingers.
Okay.
Right, so the first place, all the kayaks are gone already. We didn't think this through very well. Problems. So we managed to get one. It was more expensive because it was last minute and not booked and stuff. But hey, I want to go kayaking, so who cares? Baby, how do you feel about our kayak? So, there was only one place we could get a kayak, and it was very obviously no kayaks left, and he just fucking dug out this old shitty kayak. We still have some fun, babe. Yeah? Yeah? Okay.
Tell me why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long. Tell me,
Okay,
why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long, want you all night, want 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 all night. Tell me, why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long.
Just got to island number 2. Not sure what it's called. Barnacles! There's barnacles everywhere. Constance keeps telling me, watch the barnacles. Watch the barnacles. A lot of barnacles. So yeah, island number 2. It's beautiful.
Give me all your love, baby, give me all your love, baby, give me all your love, all your love, all your love. Give me all your love, baby, give me all your love, baby, give me all your love, all your love, all your love.
So yeah, as per usual, there was no one on the beach when we first started towards it, and then as soon as you get here, then yeah, people start turning up.
Take a walk around.
But yeah, we're gonna take a little walk around the island. Let's go and explore it. So check in a sec. Yep. What was that?
Follow me.
Onwards, follow me. Onwards. Just exploring this little island. It's only quite small, I think. Constance is dancing. Go on, baby, give him a dance. So last time we went kayaking, we didn't go this far out, and yeah, I'm glad we did this time. We left a little bit earlier. There was obviously a lot of problems with getting the kayak, but we got one, even though it's a shit one. It's a kayak nonetheless. Managed just to get us out here. Also, last time we came out, it was on a weekday, and we all just happened to have a day off, a random day off. We took some time off, and it was quite quiet, and I think we didn't really plan very well the fact that it's a Saturday. So yeah, so it was a bit shitty, but we got here, baby.
We made it.
We made it.
Feel it in my bones. There was something going on. That shade of doubt hanging around that old. 'Cause darling, there is nothing.
Right, let's give the camera to Constance. You're taking over the vlog.
Oh no. I can't do this.
Why can't you do this?
Okay. Tree. Sea. Mountain. I'm not made for this. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with it.
That's the idea.
Whee! Okay. This is your unconventional video with Constance. Back to you, John.
Okay, I think I'm gonna jump in the kayak and hit another island. The one over there? Or maybe over there?
Still a lot of people on that one.
Yeah, I think we're gonna head like over here somewhere in the... Okay, so where we're heading now is a little church on this island. I don't know if you can see it in the distance. So Constance is paddling for us at the moment because she's a beast. Yeah. Okay, paddle live. Yes, baby. There's a nice little restaurant and stuff here. Just got off here, and the church is this way. Crazy kids. It's actually quite a cool little island. What's this place, bro? Like a village house. So it seems like there's a full-on like abandoned community here. Old abandoned houses and schools and stuff. Babe, wait for me. Why are you running away again? Always running off. Honestly, she's like a bloody stray dog. She always runs off away from me. Always running away from me. I stopped for 2 seconds to get my camera out and she's gone halfway up the bloody road.
The ruins of like Jurassic Park or something.
It's like Jurassic Park, baby. Is that what you're saying? So Constance thinks we're in Jurassic Park now.
I'm so good at pretending.
we're gonna go see what's down here as well. Ancestral home of Reverend Dominic Chan Jiming. Josephine Spring of Living Water.
Okay, let's go to that.
You want to go where?
Spring of living water.
Is it because you want to have eternal life, baby?
Yes.
Okay. Look. Spring of living water. 150 meters. Let's see.
For me, yeah, yeah. Got my money on my mind, tell my mommy.
What do you think?
I mean, abandoned.
If you ask me, I am fine. Got no money on my mind. Eating patterns like the apples.
So we couldn't find the spring of eternal life. Sorry, baby.
They lied.
They lied, didn't they?
They lied.
Constance was thinking she would have eternal youth from the fountain of youth, but we couldn't find it. It would have been nice. Yeah. Nice for me more than you.
Yes.
Breathing in and breathing out to get smarter. Not working out for me, yeah, yeah.
Okay, heading off this island now. Back to the kayaks. Hey baby, how many people were here when we first got here?
Just us.
Just us. But as always, what happens as soon as we go anywhere? Yeah, every single time, guys.
Very graceful.
The great yellow sun.
Okay, last one on the islands. We're gonna head back in a sec and go to Sai Kung, get some food. You hungry, baby? Yeah, hungry. We had some snacks, but get some food. Get some food. Okay, bye.
My God, I think I might be in love. Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. You never feel it.
Right, okay, gonna get changed and see you guys in Sai Kung.
Of all your sorrows in the summer city. There's no place on earth I would rather be.
Food. Give me food. That's it from us in Sai Kung. See you guys next time. Bye bye. Bye bye.